Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo a component in Figma, turning it back into a regular object that you can edit freely. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take any component variant and detach it from its master, so you can customize your designs without any restrictions. So let's get hands-on and walk through the process step by step. Alright, let's jump right in. You've probably noticed that when you select certain buttons or shapes in your Figma file, you see a purple outline around them. That's a key signal in Figma's interface. It tells you that what you're dealing with isn't just a simple shape or text block. Instead, it's actually a component, more specifically, an instance or a variant of a component. Think of components as reusable templates. They help keep your designs organized and consistent, but sometimes you need to break away from the template to make custom changes. Before we start, there's one really important thing to know. You can't actually undo or detach a main component itself. Figma treats the main component as the source of truth for that object. It's where all the magic starts and all its instances follow its rules. So if you've selected a main component, the purple outline will usually show something like component. There won't be an option to detach it. Don't worry if this seems confusing. You only need to detach instances or variants, which are the copies used throughout your design. If you're seeing a purple outline and your selection says instance or variant in the sidebar, you're in the right place. Now let's go ahead and detach your selected component instance. With the object, or in this case, the button selected, look over to the top right corner of your Figma workspace. You should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. That's Figma's More Options menu. Sometimes it can be a bit subtle, so if you don't spot it right away, just take a second look. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down list of extra options will appear. From that menu, you want to look for an option labeled Detach Instance. The wording might slightly differ depending on your version, but generally it will say Detach Instance or Detach from Main Component. Click on this and what you've just told Figma is, "Hey, I want this copy to be independent from its original template." You'll notice a subtle yet important change. After you detach, that highlight around your object switches from purple to a familiar blue. This is Figma's way of confirming, okay, this is now a regular object. You can edit away, no strings attached. You're now free to tweak, move, resize, and style it any way you like, just like any other part of your design. And that's it. This process is super helpful if you need to make one-off adjustments or experiment with your design without worrying about affecting other instances of your component. If you ever find yourself unsure whether you're detaching the right thing, just remember, you can only detach an instance or a variant, not the main component. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Got questions about components, variants, or anything Figma related? Drop them in the comments. I love helping you out. And if you want more quick and clear design tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.